The Kalaiyyan incident. As many Hindu Aaiyanists and Dravidians know, the Kalaiyyan incident occurred over 15,000 years ago, which effectively destroyed the Aayyanist kingdoms of old. The Dravidian Aayyanist kingdoms and societies ran from the inception of Murugan, 100 to 70,000 years ago, until the Kalaiyyan incident 15,000 years ago. And after that time all past history was lost to the greater world and suppressed. Only a select few Aayyanists and other secret societies around the world know the real reality and history of this planet, and all other peoples are living a suppressed existence, built on lies, to prevent them finding out the truth. The fact that humans have been on this world for hundreds of thousands of years, but we only know the history of a few thousand years, tells you everything you need to know. Also, the fact that all societies tell you to never summon demons or demonic entities, and this has been drilled into our conscious and subconscious for the last 10,000 years, also tells you something. It tells us that the truth has been deliberately suppressed. To learn the truth you must become one with demonic entities, and we can teach you how. If you join the holistic school of Aayyanism, Murnatunalam, we can teach you the truth. In fact, you will experience the truth when you become one with the entity you link with. For non-Aayyanists, the Kalaiyyan incident was a massacre, or blood sacrifice, enacted to join the ancient Dravidian emperor Kalaiyyan, who was said to be a tantric incarnation of Murugan, with They, the Kalayyans, did this by psychically inscribing the powerful Dravidian Aayyanist yantras onto the ancient land that is now Tamil Nadu, by using the Atmans, or souls, of hundreds of thousands of people. Unfortunately, or fortunately depending on your perspective, there were not enough souls or Atmans for the joining to take place, but the ancient land of the Dravidian Aayyanists was corrupted for many thousands of years, until the emergence of Aayyan in 1500 BC. Now in order to carry out the ritual, the Kalayyans used 8 beings to aid them. These included high priests, who became Pretas and Bhuts, powerful Asuras and Rakshasas, and finally powerful tantric gods and goddesses. The list of beings that we will teach you to summon is given in this table. Preta, High Priest, Aayyani, Lavalian Gadi Saman. Bhut, High Priest, Aayyani, Chudurmanian Adhavana. Prashachamay also known as Apismar. Vinayakantantan, the negative shadow form of Ganesha. Rakshasi Lankini, a very powerful Rakshasa demon. Asura Kalinemi, a very powerful Asura demon. Kali, a powerful tantric goddess, an incarnation of Parvati. Shiva, one of the Trimurti, the destroyer and father of Murugan Aayyan. Each being summoned on this list has more power than the last. If you wish to curse, put negativity on one person, you can use a Preta or a Bhut. For more serious and powerful curses, affecting multiple people, use a Rakshasa, or an Asura. These beings are used not only to curse, but can be used to leech superficial negative energy from yourself, and thus give you the superficial trappings of success, such as money and power. Many Tantric Aayyanist business people, and Indian businesses, use these entities for this purpose. Also it should be stated, that the more times you summon an entity, the closer you will become, until you eventually merge into one. This is a very desirable state for Tantric Aayyanists. In fact, this is the state you should attain to. These beings exist outside of time and space, and can link with multiple people simultaneously, and these people are not only linked to the entity, but each other. We will recognize each other, and speak the hidden language. Elites around the world converse in this form, and thus they all understand each other, and understand the ultimate journey to the same final end point. Note, the first 2 beings, Lavalian Gadi Saman and Chudurmanian Adhavana, are very important for Tantric Aayyanists, as they are the gatekeepers to conversing with the higher demonic entities. If you have trouble conversing with higher demons, become one with Lavalian Gadi Saman and Chudurmanian Adhavana first. Finally, there is one more important fact you must know about these entities. As they exist in Talas, some exist outside of time, and thus can aid you in bringing forth new technologies and ideas that are groundbreaking. Many Aayyanists believe that these entities can commune with humans, and give them novel ideas that can break through the barriers of what is possible now. Many technological advances, from the wheel, the number 0, to silicon chips and ideas of evolution, longevity in multiple dimensions, occurs in jumps or breakthroughs. We believe this is because the entities in Talas are linking directly with individuals to give them the secrets of the physical universe and how it works. Many Tantric Aayyanists and occult-inspired Western scientists in the fields of biology and physics commune with Mayalakan, Danton, and Lankini, and equivalents, to extract the truth, and there have been many significant breakthroughs in the fields of science in the last 400 years, which is a small amount of time compared to how long humans have existed. In fact, many Aaiyanists believe that 20,000 years ago, at the height of the Dravidian Aayyanist kingdoms, the technological advances were far surpassing that of today, with humans living forever, with the ability to travel through dimensions and universes, as well as the ability to create new human-animal entities. This was all lost during the cataclysmic Kalaiyyan ritual, but pure Atmani Aayyanists believe that entities are directing humans to that technological level again, so that the environment is right for a new Kalaiyyan ritual.